See? I can't even use that. Huh? I forgot this. Oh man, I must be tired. You got boots on. See, this is what it turns to, and then we use this in the yard. So this turns into soil. Remember that big truck that dumped off? That's what this is.
Ah, okay. The spread's ready.
Yeah, this takes a while because what you got to do is run over them with a lawnmower, break it down to smaller pieces, and wet it, and then come out to flip it over, wet it, flip it over, wet it, and eventually that's like 3 years worth. So it took 3 years for all that to break down. Your dog is wacky. I don't know what's wrong with him. Okay, so we could call it a day. We could do more.
Let's just give it me. It's a little more.
Okay, I'm gonna go get another rake.